Open Mind as being back and the race on Main City. Best of Biscuit by Darrell. Antares is racing third, running down on the inside. Don Edwards Best Open Mind racing fifth by some 4 lengths. And a long way back to show no emotion. Best of Biscuit, Mint City, rushing up to grab the lead. It's now Mint City, followed by Best of Biscuit. And Antares is racing in third by some 4 lengths. Don Edwards Best. Open Mind is running down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Mint City by 3/4 of a length. Best of Biscuit down on the inside. Antares is racing in third by some 4 lengths. Don Edwards Best and Open Mind racing towards the final turn, Mint City by a length and a half. Best of Biscuit down on the inside. Don Edwards Best, Antares, Open Mind. Entering the finish line, Mint City by some 2 lengths, followed by Best of Biscuit, Don Edwards Best. And nearing the finish line, Mint City, Best of Biscuit down on the inside, but still Mint City. And finally, Mint City. Best of Biscuit close. Antares, Don Edwards Best, Open Mind.